name is John Pereira and this is a short screencast on creating your first Redlink app. So you log into the dashboard of the Redlink platform, quickly sign in, then create a first dataset. So this is your personalized dataset. Just type in my example dataset, then I can provide a short description, then create. Here I have further information, so I need to upload the file now. Quickly choose a simple turtle file I created in advance. Find the format, then I can upload. Now that I've uploaded, I need to publish it as linked data and also release it as a SCOs vocabulary. Now that I have this done, I can go to the analysis and create the actual analysis process for this data set. And now I have various phases that I need to now select for this analysis process. First, of course, is the input of my data, which in this case is just plain text. Then I have the option for the languages. At the moment we have basic and expert language, so I'll just take the basic language here for this example. Then the actual dataset that I want from the analysis, which of course is my customized dataset. Here is a list of other datasets that users have been using and made public for everyone. Then the post-processing that I want to use for this analysis here, which confidence filter I want to use. Since I just want to give an example of this analysis using one dataset and the output, IDF output here. Good. And now I apply it, which means I publish it to the platform. So now I create an application. And the reason I need to create an application here is under an application I can bundle more than one analysis chain. So here I need to create my application, and then I will just simply associate the single analysis chain that I just created to this application. So we need to go and do that. So as you see here, I have the option to select more than one analysis chains per application. In this case, I just have the single one. So I just click here, and as you see, there's just my analysis chain. Then, of course, the dataset. So this gives the ability to assemble much more complicated applications depending on the analysis. Good. Now that I've done that, I've been issued this application key here. And if I quickly click on here, I can go to the Redlink API console to test it. But for this case, I will use our other customized demo. Put in the API key. Now I get some content that's specific to this dataset. So just copy and paste here from Wikipedia. Annotate. Good. So as you see here, I've only received those entities that were actually in my dataset. But I'm sure there are many more entities that we could extract. So then I will just go back to the dashboard and add another dataset to this analysis chain. In this case here, let's have a look. So I will just use the DBpedia that we have here. Good. And apply it to the chain. Then I can go back to my demo, re-annotate, and as you can see, now we have many more entities that were extracted out of this piece of content. But as you see here, the entities have no description. So how about we fill that and switch on the dereferencing engine. So here we go in the post-processing disambiguation. No, that's wrong, the dereference entity. Good, yes, so we've selected it. Now we need to apply it to the analysis chain and back to the demo and re-annotate. And there you go. So let's have a look. Yes, okay. So now we have the entities plus the description. Okay, thank you very much. That was a short screencast on building your first Redlink app. Thank you, bye.